A decade boo. Channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I'ma make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel that not killer. Hey, I see bread.
Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you can tell, it's like a getting to know me, only that y'all should know me by now. And if y'all don't, you better subscribe so you can know me, turn on your post notification bell, and watch my previous videos that I did. I will just tell y'all a little more about me. Y'all see me come on this camera every time, and y'all don't really know me because I'm crazy, and I want y'all to know. So anyways, first off, I want to give a post notification shout out to A Cup of Tea. I want y'all to go over A Cup of Tea's channel. It's on the screen right now, and it is going to be pinned in the comment section and also in the description box below. Remember to go over there, guys, and y'all know that I give post notification shout out to whoever comments first on my video, so you need to turn on that post notification bell so that you can be the first to comment. Yes, and not only comment, watch the video. These are like some self-affirmations. I think most of y'all are going to relate to these. Yeah. So first off, I talk to myself. Yes, I talk to myself. Like, I will definitely have a one-on-one conversation with myself. Like, I will see someone, and if they don't look proper in my head, I'm like, Lord, or whatever, and I say, Deki, what you doing now? What you doing next, Deki? Should you do this or don't do that, or why are you doing that? In my head, though, I don't say it out loud. Next off, I live by time is money. Money is time. Therefore, I'm always trying to work with time. Like, if I'm at work, quickly and just have an alarm to tell me when to do such and such, because I'm saying like I'm gonna waste time, and it makes me kind of impatient when I have to wait on someone, especially when I'm working with the time. So I work with time. I just work with time. Even right now, I'm working with time because I have something to do. I'm working with time. Yeah, every second. So time controls me. Number 3, if it's 3, I'm not gonna count because I can't count. That's one. But I am boring, and due to the fact that I am boring, I have less friends, or maybe I don't have any friends because like y'all don't see me going out. But I have people that would love to go out with me, but it's because like of this fact that I'm boring. Sorry about that. The fact that I'm boring, I don't want to go out with anyone, or I just think it's a waste of time or money or whatever. Yeah. Next off, I am dead broke. I am broke. I'm broke. What else do you think I'm on this? I am broke. I am dead broke. I work, I go to school, and I do YouTube. Time, Jesus. I'm stressed out. Yes. Next off, I hide my emotions whenever I get mad. Yeah, I hide my emotions. If I'm either happy, not only when I'm mad, but when I'm happy, I just hide emotions. I don't let no one see the real true emotions. Like, if I'm mad, I would just sit down and don't say anything. I would talk to you sometimes, but like in a relationship, I don't let anyone know, or know when I'm upset or whatever. I'm just there. Next off, I am a very shy person. I am a really shy. But if I have to like talk in public or do something, talk in general, I will if I have to. And surprisingly, when I do it well. Yeah, but I'm shy. Next up, I get upset whenever I overthink. Never come near me when I overthink. You see, when I overthink, I upset with myself. Like to say, oh, I can't do this, Lord Jesus. I need to do this. I need to do this. Especially when it's something that I really am stressing about. Like I am just stressing about money or stressing about something that I need or something that I want to happen. I get upset. I'm really upset. Like, yes. Next off, I have no secrets. All my secrets are out. You ain't got nothing on me. I got no secrets, and I don't have no friend to share no secret either, and I don't do nothing bad, so that I won't have no secret, right? Next off, I live and I learn. You hear that? I live and I learn. You see, the mistakes that I made in the past, you won't see me doing again. The people I used to talk to and the people who shake me up and mess me over, I never go back. And if you teach me something, I'm learning from it. So it's either you're a blessing or a lesson, baby. In every situation that occurs in my life, I learn from it. And learning is not just for students or whatever, it's for adults as well. We can learn. So I live and I learn. Next off, it's hard for me to trust because I'm just broken. Before I try to see the good in someone, I will look for the bad first. Yep. And that makes me like have no friends. Yeah. And lastly, whenever I'm in my feelings, I will write. And when I say write, I mean just write down something. I write so till every knees should bow and every tongue confess that I am a writer. Because some poems that I make when I'm in my feelings, some songs that I make when I'm in my feelings, I'm like, it's just that I don't think that's for me, but it makes me happy to see that I can do something. Like it just come to my head and I just write. If I'm feeling down, I will write about it, write a song or a poem. When I look back, I smile and say, look at this. That is it for my video. I want you to like, and I hope I want y'all to like this video if you haven't liked it yet. And if you haven't liked it, shame on you. Like the video, comment your opinion, and I mean comment, share, and what else? Okay. So I want y'all to go over my motivational channels, that's the Kibu Motivation, and subscribe, and also go over my other channel that is the Kibu Reacts. Thank you all for watching. I love you and thank you for supporting me. Continue supporting me because I need your support. Bye bye.